พันรัตน์พือพิพัฒน์ Miss Grand Thailand
Grand journey. And I just want to thank, first of all, Papa Nawat, thank you for the trust, the MGI organization, Mami Teresa, and all the people. Maraming salamat. Kapuna ka. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Wow! Okay?
Love Lala
Love Lala.
Thank you. Don't quiet. Are you happy? Yes, thank you so much. Those two of them one by one together. I hope you are enjoy for this evening Sunday. More energy, more power for next week because everybody have to work, right? Okay, thank you from the bottom of my heart again. Thank you so much.
Love you, Mother!